Okay, so now this morning we're going to look at speed, distance and time. Okay, so most of us would be familiar with the idea that speed equals distance divided by time. Okay, and so for example, distance might be kilometres, that's the most common that we use for speed, and hours, time. And so be familiar with a car going a speed of 60 kilometres per hour. Okay, so we can use this formula in three different ways. We can use it to find speed if we have the distance and the time, or we can use it to find the distance if we have the speed and the time, or we can use it to find the time if we have been given the distance and the speed. So let's look at question 2a, and we should identify what information we've been given, what we need to find, and therefore which formula to use. Okay, so Karen is driving at a speed of 60 kilometres an hour. So we know the speed equals 60 kilometres per hour. Okay, and how far will she travel in 3 hours? So the time equals 3 hours. And what we're being asked to find, how far will she travel? So we're being asked to find the distance, okay? So we want the formula that has distance by itself, and here it is right here, okay? So we'll use the formula D equals S times, or speed times time. Okay, the speed we've been given is 60 kilometres per hour, travelling for 3 hours. Now we do our calculation, 180 kilometres. Okay, and if we look at part B, so this was part A, if we look at part B, how long will it take her to drive 240 kilometres? So we know the same speed is 60, and the distance this time is 240, and what we're being asked to find is the time. Okay, question mark time. So we want this formula here. Time equals distance divided by speed. Okay, so we'll use time equals distance divided by speed. We're substituting our values given, so we're 240 kilometres divided by 60 kilometres per hour, and that will come to 4 hours. Now all the questions in 12.1, questions 1 through to 7 can be pretty much done exactly in this way, just identifying the two pieces of information you've got, which one are you being asked to find, and therefore pick the appropriate formula out of the three formulas, and then substitute and calculate. Okay, please have a go now at completing the questions 1 to 7 on exercise 12.1. Thank you.